Welcome to Unit 2. In this unit, we're going to be learning everything from the cell to endosymbiosis. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. This is just the reference review. And remember, you will get all these formulas in your AP listed formulas. Okay, so with the test, you will get a sheet with all the formulas that you need. You just need to know how to use these formulas. Okay, and you need to be able to calculate the surface and area, surface to volume ratio for a sphere, a cube, a rectangular solid, and a cylinder. Here we have the example of a cube, okay? And here are the formulas that will be given to you. So we know the surface area is 6 times the side square. It's 6 times because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides to this cube. Okay, so that's 6 times 3 squared. The volume is the length, the width, and the height. So that is 3 to the power of 3. And if I want to calculate that, that would be 54. This is 27. So 54 divided by 27 is 2. Okay, so the ratio is 2. Before I answer this, let's first look at the second model to compare it. Okay, I can already see the ratio is 2 to 1, so it definitely has a very efficient exchange. So for every 1 of volume, there is 2 surface areas to exchange materials with. So it's very efficient. Let's look at Model B. And Model B, the cell is now just doubled the size. Okay, so this is 6 centimeters. The same idea, so it will be 6 times 6 to the power of 2. That will be 36 times 6, that's 216. And the volume would be 6 cubed. And 6 cubed is 36 times 6 is also 216. Okay, so if I do the ratio here, that's 216 divided by 216. So the ratio is 1. So it's 1 to 1. So it just means that for every 1 of surface area, it 1 volume, meaning that it is less efficient, okay? Because this ratio is only 1, and this ratio is 2, meaning there is more surface area to volume, and here the surface area to volume is the same. That is why Model A is more efficient. Let's look at the reasoning for surface area to volume, okay? If it has a high surface area to volume, it helps the cell because it means there's more exchange surface relative to the internal demand. Okay, so exchange surface is the surface area, and internal demand is the volume. Because cells need to take in nutrients, they then process these nutrients, and then waste needs to be removed. They also need to exchange chemicals. Okay, and if a cell is really big, it takes too long for these molecules to travel to where they need to be. So that makes it, so if I have a low surface area to volume ratio, it takes too long for these molecules to travel where they need to be. So that makes it less efficient. Okay, but if the surface area, if it's a high surface area to volume ratio, it means that these molecules can travel really quickly to where they need to be. So that makes it more efficient. If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and can join us on the Skool.com community page where you'll find AP Bio blueprints. And if you take a look inside, you will see that Unit 1 is completely free. See you all there.